Hi everyone, I got mail today, yay! My bargain bead box for the May/June finally arrived. I've been noticing people putting videos up. I'm like, I want mine, I want mine. It's here, it's here. I did not watch any of those videos because I always like to be surprised. And people, the ones who put pictures of everything in the box out on your thumbnail, please don't do that. It kind of spoils it for the rest of us because we can kind of see right away. Yeah, so it's kind of mean. Anyway, let me take this out of the bag and see what it says. It is called Navigator in a blue bag. It says, your beads, lapis lazuli, or lazuli, however you say it, and agate star, an agate star in this nautical collection. Yay. I love lapis. Our favorite piece this month is the rhinestone encrusted working compass. Wow. Both functional and beautiful. That's different. Silver toned findings, sparkling crystals, and handmade porcelain beads complete the collection. We so appreciate your patience as we work through factory delays and custom snafus to bring you your beads. We truly have the best subscribers. Aw, well, you're also a great company. Thank you, Bargain Bead Box, and your sister store of Bead Box Bargains. Thanks for being wonderful. Alrighty, and then you get a 30% off coupon, and you have the ability to win a $25 gift certificate to Beadbox Bargains if you post your creations on their Facebook page. Okay, so let's see. On the back is always an identification key. Now, they don't typically write the months and stuff on here, and I am going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to call it May/June because of the shipping delays. They are calling this one the June one, and we really didn't get a May kit. So I'm going to put that over here, like this. And then let's pull out our kit, our box. Not really a kit, it sort of is. A little bit of tissue paper and a white organza bag. Useful for anything, right? And obviously I hadn't opened this at all yet, so let's just quickly, I don't know if that's 6 or 9 yet, we'll find out. Oh, well, this is 6, so what I do is I mark it like this. This is 6, this is 9, just so I know. I'm going to move them down a row because 6 and 7 can go over here. This is 2, 3, 1. Ooh, we got ear wire things this time, yay. 4, and some ball head pins, yay. Okay, so 7, 8, this is 11, and 12, 13, 14, here's 18, oh, there's the compass, 17, 19, 16, oh, we have 20, 19, well, this is kind of interesting because there's only 19, 10, 11, let's do 12, 13, 14, 15, oh, I have one of those. Cool. There's 20 items on here and only 19 on the description, so we'll have to see what's what with that. Oh, this, okay, so this was gonna be number 4. I'm now confused. There's a note on here that says we accidentally skipped printing the number 4 label and printed number 20 instead, which we noticed after we had assembled everything. We chose to ship as is so you get your beads faster. So I guess they threw in these bead wires as extras. Earring wires, I mean, excuse me. Cool. All right, so number 1, 40-piece strand, 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in opaque red. All right, that's just USPS telling me my parcel is here. Yes, I got it. Yay! I have another package coming from Beadbox Bargains, but that's not expected till tomorrow because it does its whole routine of going from Harrisburg to Philadelphia to Wilmington, Delaware, back to Pennsylvania again. Anyway, so yeah, 40-piece strand, 6x4mm crystal rondelles, opaque red. It appears to be red, white, and blue. So guess what, guys? I am probably going to use this to do my jewelry making fun collab mix this time, but I'm going to add some things to it. Okay, number 2. So there's a little hint on what the colors are for this month for jewelry making fun collab on the 18th. And I'll bring these over again. Actually, I'll just put them up here. These are 7.5-inch strands, 6mm lapis lazuli round gemstone bead. Lazuli. These look like natural. They don't necessarily look like color enhanced because there's a lot of gray, brown in them, and white. And I love them because I love lapis. Alright, number 3, 30-piece strands, 6mm English cut crystal round beads in marine blue. Ooh, they're pretty. That's that English cut. That's a really kind of a different cut to it. I don't know if you can see it. It's faceted, and it's faceted, but it's not like a normal facet. They call it English cut. I've had this in larger gemstone beads, but not in crystals. So that's interesting. And then this appears to be kidney style ear wires. I'll take out and show you, which are not on the list. So they threw them in as extras. So thank you. Bargain bead box. Yeah, kidney ear wires. I will definitely use those. Silver tone. And then I'm not going to take these out, but there are 24 pieces, 40mm brass ball head pins, so they're silver plated brass, and lead free, nickel free. I like the ball ends. Yay. And number 6 10-piece strand, 8mm cathedral style crystal round beads in red silver. If I can get it open. And there we go. They're, what size are these? 8mm. Yeah, these are nice. I haven't seen them with the silver edging, I don't think. Or if I have, it's been a while. They're pretty. Alright, number 7. 30-piece strand, 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in jade white. The jade is sort of a semi-translucent, semi-opaque. It does have a jade look to it, but they're also very sparkly. These are crystal rondelles, 8x6. They're a little larger than these ones. Pretty. 3 sets, 30mm banded toggle clasps are next. Lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. And they sort of have a nautical look to them with the stripes on them a little bit. So they're pretty too. I like them. And then 9 is 5 pieces, 11x12mm handmade porcelain corrugated melon beads. They don't really have a lot of corrugation to them. They're not like deep corrugation, but they do have the striping on. They're pretty. There's like a blue-gray. They do have a little bit larger hole, so you could use cording or something with them. 10 I won't take out. It's 3mm steel. Well, I'll show you a little bit of it. Steel Rollo chain. Rollo is, you know, one link goes this way and the other one is attached that way. So it's like when you attach jump rings to each other. And you get a meter of that, so which is about a yard. And 11 is 4 pieces, 23 by 19 millimeter ship's helm charms. Also lead free, cadmium free. These are very nice. They're double-sided. Really like them also. And I'm not super into nautical, but these are pretty. Okay, 12 30 piece 5 by 4 millimeter rope accent barrel spacer beads. And perfect for nautical as well because of the rope. Yeah, I like them. And they're not huge barrel beads. They're smaller. 30 pieces, 5 by 4 millimeter. Lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. And then we have 4 piece. Let me move this up a little bit. Ships. Where is it? 4 piece, 34 by 27 millimeter rope accent. Ooh, these are nice. Chandelier findings. Also double-sided. And they're not super heavy. These are pretty. Well done. Very pretty. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes here, and then you could always hang something in the middle. I like them. I like them like that. And then 14 is 26 by 59 millimeter curved chandelier focal, which has many, many, many holes. Also sort of a rope look to it. Nice. Definitely goes with the theme. And it's not like super big, and it's silver, so I do like it. 7-inch 8 millimeter crackle agate round beads, dyed heated in marine blue. Very pretty. These were considered to be marine blue as well. These have more of a steel gray with the marine blue color. These are pretty. I like them. Even though they're dyed, I like them. 16, approximately 40 millimeter lapis lazuli dyed point pendant. Now we have had this before, I think in December's kit, but don't hold me to that. After which I bought another one, so now I have, I think, 2. And 17, 20 piece 8 millimeter rope edge bead caps. That's different. Oh, they're neat. I don't have any like this, and they definitely have I don't know if you can see that rope around the edge, like a rope look around the bottom edge. Now they are a little bit deeper, like a cone, but I think, yeah, let me try them on the lapis and just see how I think, yeah, they'll look pretty cool on the lapis, and probably these two. They'll have a different look to them on these. I like them better on the smaller bead, I think, the 6 millimeter. Anyway, there you go. And then number 18 is 21 by 16 millimeter real working compass with rhinestone trim. That would be something good to have. Where's north? Should be behind me, actually. South, west, east. North is the red arrow. They don't have an N. Well, they have northeast, but north is that one, which should be sort of behind me. I'm not sure if it works terribly well, but anyway. And then these look sort of like baseballs to me. These are called 10-piece strand 10 millimeter DZI Z style agate. Xi style agate. I don't know how you say that. Now I have seen some of these before, but they were in like taupe with black on them. I've never seen them with like translucent with white. So they're different. These are dyed heated. Yes, I can clearly tell. They almost look like they were hand painted with the design on a clear bead. and you get 10 of those. And then this was supposed to be number 4, 16-inch strand, 3.5 by 2mm crystal rondelle beads in indigo. They're the tiny little ones. Really cute. Like them. Sparkle. Sparkly warkly. Alright, let me move some of this over. So yeah, definitely a red, white, and blue nautical theme. What do they call it? Navigator. I could see that definitely. Navigator. Let me get all these bags out of the way. And we got an extra number 4 here, which is the ear wire. So we actually got, yeah, 20 things instead of 19. I'm looking forward to playing with this. And my finished pieces, unless I decide to do something ahead of time, will be up on at 10 a.m. on the 18th for jewelry making fun. I'm going to choose to use this because our theme is red, white, and blue. So there you go. I will be adding some other things to it, which are some of our optional challenges. So I hope you'll come see what those are and what I do. I have a collab going up on the 12th for Joy of Blue. We're going to apparently have a lot of blue this month. And also on the 12th, there's an unveiling of a Soft Flex mystery design kit that is for the Great Bead Extravaganza, which is happening with Soft Flex and many other small businesses in the jewelry industry. And that is from Friday the 11th evening through Sunday the 13th. And each hour or hour and a half, something like that, a different company presents. Soft Flex is presenting on the 12th at, I believe, 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific, and I think that's right. But I have the unboxing, unveiling video going up that day, and I will try and have some jewelry made also from that kit by the 12th. And then on the 15th, we'll have Passion for Purple. And on the 18th, my collab jewelry making fun, where I will be using this. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.